Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hi children, how are you all? Alhamdulillah, I hope you all are fine. Children, today I am going to tell you a poem. The name of the poem is Bird's Talk. In this poem, two birds, Robin and the jay, were sitting and talking in the garden. They were talking about people. There are lots of ways in which birds communicate with each other. They either sing, talk, dance, or fight with each other. Children, do you think birds find people funny? When you look at birds, what do you think about them? How do they fly? And how do they balance themselves on those wires? But do you know what they think about us? Okay then, let's listen to what the robin and the jay have to say. So children, here is the poem now. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So children, that's the poem about Bird's Talk. Now, I shall give you brief explanation about Bird's Talk. Please listen carefully. One day, the robin and the jay were sitting and talking in the garden. They were talking about people and that they don't have feathers. People don't eat beetles. They don't have wings either. The robin and the jay thought people were funny to be like that. They also feel that they enjoy more freedom than human beings, as they can fly away with their wings to any place they want to. So children, how did you like the poem? I am sure you liked it. Thank you.